Are you looking for some fresh ideas to liven up your homeschool? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you our January themes for poetry, tea time, Bible, our read out loud, and science. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom that's been homeschooling since 2012, and on this channel, I share with you ideas, tips, day-in-the-life videos, curriculum reviews, everything to help you on your homeschooling journey. So please take a minute to subscribe or at least check out the rest of my channel to see if there's anything else that you would enjoy seeing. So I decided that every month we were gonna have different themes for different subjects. I decided it would be fun to set up our homeschool a little differently in 2022. So with that being said, that is going to prompt a lot of more detailed and more focused videos on every single subject and how we are learning and doing it. But today I just want to give you a general overview of the different things that we are going to be doing for 2022. So for our poetry tea time this month, we are going to be doing 2 weeks of Japanese poetry and 2 weeks of Shakespeare, beginning Shakespeare for kids. Now I found this wonderful website. It's called poetryteatime.com, and on there you can find themed poetry activities and books and everything you need to create your own poetry themes for every month. So I decided to do 2 a month. So that means we do poetry tea time every Wednesday. That means for 2 weeks we'll do 1 theme, and then the other 2 weeks we'll do the second theme. You see a different dog over here because they started barking, so I had to put one away. So for our read out loud this month, we're going to be hopefully trying to finish up the Christmas Pig. I really wanted to get the Christmas Pig done in December so we could start another book in January, but it just didn't work out. So we're hoping to finish the Christmas Pig in the next week. Hopefully we can do it in the first week of school. And then I want to read 100 Cupboards. We've been waiting to read that book, and then we'll probably follow along with this series after that. We'll see. For our character study, so this is something else new that we're going to be doing. We're going to be using the Laying Down the Rails book and the companion guide, and we are going to be working on different character traits for the month. Now it may take more than a month to do each trait, but I'm hoping that we can learn a character trait each month and then just fine-tune it the rest of their lives. So this month I thought that the most important trait for my kids to learn was attention and being attentive, because if they're not attentive, none of our school plans are going to work out. None of the other traits are going to work out because they're just not focused. So I really want to teach them to be attentive and to put their all into everything that they're doing so that we can have our smooth and fun and light school days. And I'm going to make another video tomorrow. Is going to come out on my homeschool goals, so you'll be able to see that video. That's a collaboration that's coming up tomorrow. And so my kids need to be attentive in order for those goals to succeed and for them to just have a good school year and for them to learn anything. But I am also doing, my son is also going to be doing a Bible study on his own on work. And these are the little books that I got from notconsumed.com, and I'm going to post the link in the description below so you guys can go check out all their little studies. They have them from all different grades, and they even have a parents one. So I'm also going to make a video on how we do our Bible study, but his focus for this month is going to be work, because I want him to work hard at school, and I want him to work hard doing his chores, and I want him to work hard in life, and everything that he does I want him to put all of his attention into it. So I think those are going to work good together. And then the final thing I want to share, so this is going to be just a quick little video, is how we are going to be studying history and science this year. So for our whole homeschool experience, we were doing 2 days of history and 2 days of science. And when you look at different curriculum, they actually suggest to do science 2 days a week and history 2 days a week. But I don't want to do that because I feel like there's too many things going on in the week. There's just too much jumping around. So I really want to focus on one topic for the entire month. So we're going to do science for a month, and then a whole history unit for another month, and then another science unit for the next month, and we're just going to alternate that way. So instead of alternating days, we're going to be alternating months. And so for this month, we're going to be doing the Good and the Beautiful's ecology unit study, which was one that my son chose. I let him pick up from all the different units that we had, actually all the different units that were online, and we bought the ecology one because that was the one that he was interested in. So those are my little themes, and I'm gonna make a short video like this at the beginning of every month so you guys can get ideas for different themes. And I'm going to do it at the beginning of the month in case you want to incorporate these themes for your own homeschool. Like if you don't feel like thinking about it yourself, you just watch the video the first week of the month and you guys can copy my ideas. And I'm going to be making some themed videos on how we're specifically studying each of these topics as well. So make sure you guys subscribe so that you're notified when I do post these videos. And if you hit the notification bell, YouTube will actually alert you and let you know, hey, Mrs. Mom has posted a new video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll actually see you tomorrow.